So here's the initial part of the vise, still building it off of this cubed shape. Move that out of the way. Okay, so sometimes you can build just from one part, and it'll help you get started. This part has a couple of curves in it. And then as it goes above, it has the clamps, so curving that piece. And then just trying to keep it in the same kind of an isometric setup at least. This is curved. Thinking of the extrusion, just like on the three-dimensional modeling, this has an extrusion part and then tapers into itself. And it stays pretty symmetrical for the most part. So there's kind of the beginning section. Here's a separation where the two parts are bit together. Okay, and then it kind of repeats itself as a more of a solid bracket. And this is going back. So you can kind of slowly build that part up. And then it's resting on this elliptical cylindrical section right down here, so you can just extend this part down. Yosef, pay attention please. So this part's coming around, and it has another cam section off here that's bolted to the table, so when you get a look at that, elevates this bolt. So you can kind of see it there. And then the last part, at least this section that goes back, is just the rectangular part, but it's holding it up. Gets a little bit of that section right there. And this part too is another mechanical centerpiece. Extends up, just a cylinder, and then you're just cutting parts out of there. Circle piece comes out of that. It gives you this bracket. Okay. Now this has a little elevated lettering for the name. And again, use kind of reversing that part out to spell that out there, and that's arched in there. The only part missing now is just this front section. This has a cylindrical piece. And a cylindrical piece right there. Okay, so it's all kind of beveled in there, has the edges setting right up on top there.